bam, right here. Ooh, this is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus updated review, baby. I've had this thing for some weeks, probably almost a month now. I don't know, man, it's been a minute. All I know is this thing has continued to perform. This thing continues to be a Galaxy Note 10 Plus mega machine. Yeah, when you say mega, man, you see this thing, man, thing about as big as my head, player. Still an S Pen. Fire noddle. I don't even know that's a word. I'm just making that stuff. Still got the S Pen on deck, baby. Still got the aura glow. Let me bam. But I got it under that red leather. Samsung leather case. I've been loving these cases because they're super thin, super light. Got that premium feel. You know, I love that leather. I love premium. It's a premium phone. You put it inside of a premium case. Not the most protective, but I'm pretty careful with my devices. Now, if you ain't so careful, don't even think about it, player. Go get you a Rhino Shield. Rhino Shield will protect you, player. I enjoy the screen real estate. Even though the big phones are a little bit much more to handle, I enjoy the screen real estate on this thing. Like looking at my YouTube Creator Studio, which on Android gives you more information than iPhone, and I don't understand how that works. Or maybe it's because Google makes it, and that's a whole platform. I see the conspiracy. But you get way better analytics in Creator Studio when using this bad boy. The viewing experience on this thing with these speakers and just this phone, man, it's just so great. This is like the best media consumption device that you can get. It's the best like business joint. You got to sign a contract. It makes sense on so many levels, and I absolutely love using Galaxy Note devices. That's why it's always my favorite phone of the year. Like, oh man, oh, that's my hair. My hair hit my ear, player. I thought I was going down by a bug. I was trying to stay cool on camera, but on the inside, I was like, hold up, player. If y'all haven't seen the way my hands swell up when I get bit by these mosquitoes, I'll show you. Oh. Time after time, Samsung always delivers best display, smooth delivery on software with this new One UI. Like, I love the new Samsung One UI. It's kind of like every time I give like I usually do like the 5 things I hate. You know, it's like Samsung be watching and be listening. Because one of the things I said, they need to get closer to like a pure Android experience, and One UI is the definition of that, getting closer to a clean, pure Android experience. I know people say there's no such thing as pure Android. I don't care, play. I'm still saying pure Android, which is what you get on a Google device. It's just a clean, smooth form of Android. And that's what matters. I don't want your skin bogging down my Android and its performance. That makes no sense to me. Like, I bought this phone for the experience. The experience that having the S Pen gives you is an added bonus plus that I absolutely love. I use it as a mouse and I use it religiously, and I absolutely love it. It's like my favorite thing on here. Like, writing notes physically retains in the brain. And I write a lot of notes of stuff that I want to retain. That's why you take notes. It's stuff you're supposed to retain, right? Financial, motivational, you know what I mean? I listen to rich people all day. Why? Because I'm going to be a rich mother. I ain't playing. I'm on my way, man. I'm grinding so hard to get there. This is the productivity. This is the productivity hog. This is the media consumption hog. This is the boss of boss hogs on the Android platform. And that's why it's my favorite phone every year on the Android side. You know what I mean? Now, I love the Pixel. It's so complicated on the Android side. Like, you know, people complain about, like, you know, Apple and how their system is just so like, this is what it is and that's what you get. There is no room for like crazy diversity. That's the plus side of Android, and that's the downside to Android. So think about that. If you like coming from, who is the type of person that would benefit from having a Galaxy Note 10 Plus or Note 10? It's the productivity hog, the person who just like are hardcore on their phone, being productive. You on emails, you doing word processing, a lot of things like that. You kind of run it, your office majority on your smartphone. This can appeal to you a lot. I think this is a great phone for creatives. Whether it's creative in the sense of social media and creating media or watching media, or just being an artist and drawing and using the S Pen to like maybe sketch up some things and so forth. The power user. The battery life on this thing is amazing. Someone who's just hardcore social media, going hard on their phone, always plugged into a charger everywhere they go. This is a good solution for someone like that because it's gonna give you very good battery. And then the cameras. The cameras on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus have been improved so much from the 9 and the 8 and so forth that you can see the difference. The algorithm they put in place is really good. It's reproducing colors great. And that's what we use these things for. You know what I mean? We on IG stories, we on Instagram, we on Twitter, we posting our lives, snapshots of our life throughout our life, and we're sharing them, and you want that to be reflected in that fire way. That's how you get the likes, you know what I mean? I already know, man. Hey, look, man, I know how I go out here, man. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Everybody, when they post something on social media, they want the attention and they want it to do well. Well, part of that is having stuff that looks good, and your things will look good on this camera, on the screen, and these speakers. All in all, I just come to tell you that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is still a great smartphone. I'm still enjoying it. I'm still using it. My hair is still hitting my ear. And that's just all of that in a nutshell. I just want to talk about user experience. Like, that means nothing. All that matters is that when you use this thing and what you use it for, it delivers. And this thing delivers on many fronts. Mic drop.